We are right now moving along Okpuno Isuanaocha road towards Isuanaocha junction. So, but here now is the second Y junction. By the right, you go inside Okpuno. Then this left, you are going straight to the boundary bridge between Isuanaocha and Okpuno. From there, you take straight to Isuanaocha junction. Well, we are giving you update on this road, and we want to see the exact situation of this road and what is happening on this road. Well, we can see that the drainages both left and right along here is completed. Both left and right, they are all completed. I bet you what is holding this road may not be much, but until we get to Isuanaocha, we'll know the condition of Isuanaocha too before we make our own conclusion. Yes, this road is very strategic. When government is done with the one that leads to Isuanaocha towards Amanuke, I don't know if this road is still going to continue straight to Mbaku. But if not, if there is no plan to lead it to Mbaku, I want to solicit that this road should be continued towards Mbaku. And that Mbaku road connects towards the free road to back of Unizik temporary site. That's what I was told. So, but if it is done that way, it's going to link up a whole lot of Awka knots, and this community will be well connected. As in, if this road is done towards Mbaku, at least then the road will take that the free road down to back of Unizik. That is the Unizik permanent site. That's where the road connects. Well, let's see how it goes. So far so good. The government is doing their best, and we are still observing that the gutters, the drainage systems, they are all being installed at both left and right of this road. Well, last time we visited this road, there is no much difference. Then probably they are trying to round up with the gutters. That's what was happening that time. But now the drainages they have rounded up with it. But we may not conclude until we get towards that Isuanaocha, that Manuke road axis, so we can be sure of the situation of this road. We are moving towards the junction of Isuanaocha, the popular Isuanaocha junction. Some time ago, probably about 10 years ago, though it's quite a long time, that Isuanaocha junction was not as busy as it is today. But now you can see that, look at the Isuanaocha junction here. Can see that the whole places are now built up, development coming in every now and then. So, but this is the road that leads to Amanuke, and it is under construction. They stopped somewhere at Ekaba, the place they call Ekaba Junction. That's where they stopped. And looking so far, you will still discover that the road has drainages both left and right, well constructed. It's just that the usual open drainages that people we used to complain about, like I said, there are information that government still have plan on what to do on that. So that's why it's as if we step down a bit. So but we are still following development so far. And you see this road now, for some time it has been like this. I bet you even information gathered shows that for some time it has been like this. The best thing here is for the governor to visit this road, because judging from the record past, we noticed that anywhere governor visited, they complete that road within days. So I will urge the governor to make attempt to visit this road and know what is holding these people. If rainy season catches up with them here, it becomes another thing altogether. It's not going to be good at all for people living around this place. So please share this video if you care. Share it so that other people will watch and like this video. Please don't forget to drop your comments, because others need to hear what we think about what we said and what is going on in this video. Well done, and thanks for doing that. So let's keep going towards the end of this road, which is not far from here, and is a Kaba Junction. You can still be observing it. The drainages have been done both left and right. The entire road has their drainages done. So now what is holding this road, if not just to apply stone base and asphalt? So this is like I said, urging the Governor Charles Soludo, to pay a visit to this road as he used to do most recently. And anywhere he visited, there is this magic touch. That place will be completed within days. This is what I am very, very sure of. So these people, this area needs his visit so that these people will round up this work. We don't want rainy season to meet them here again. It will not be palatable at all. So now from here you will see where the road ended. You can see where the gutters ended for now. I know that maybe they are going to continue, but ending up these gutters like this here is not still good. If flood waters run on it, you know what will come up next at the end of these gutters: erosion. Because of the kind of soil that we have in this part of the world, it usually wears away when encountered constant movement of water. If you have not subscribed to YangaLife channel, please click on the subscription button, notification bell, like this video, and don't forget to share it. Let it go around and probably get to those that will care that we inform the people in authority that this is what is going on here, so that something will be done. That is the point. So now by the left is the base of this construction company. They have a base here by the left. So that is where they operate from. Well, I don't see anything that is holding this road, and I strongly believe that this road will be ready before the proper rain sets in, just to commence the application of a stone base and the final application of tar, because of asphalt, so that the road will be completed and people will enjoy their road. So this time around, I will show you where I was referring to when I was talking about the road that leads to Mbapu and back of Unizik Palm site. I've not been there, but according to information, that is what we got. The road leads to, see, if you continue left here, by that's opposite this place we are going now. If you continue it at the back, you are going straight to Mbapu, and upon reaching Mbapu, the free road is by the right. If you turn right, there is a road there. Even though erosion is threatening that axis, but that place has to, be done. So I hope government remembers that axis and construct that road. It will be a very nice thing, and it's going to link up a whole lot of areas along that axis. Well, from here we are approaching the boundary town between Isuanaocha and Okpuno. That's that bridge. That's where we are approaching now, and virtually nothing is still holding this road. This road is almost done and dusted, to the best of my knowledge. Well, this is having a view of Okpuno. The back view of Okpuno, you can see, though it's not quite clear. Well, we are back on top of the little bridge, the boundary bridge, and we have crossed over to Okpuno. Previously, somebody was asking me or was observing that this particular place is too narrow for his liking. Well, I don't know, and I don't know the possibility of dualizing here. It may still be possible, but there was no intention of dualizing here by the government. So as you can see, the government just continue building the road and towards Isuanaocha. So I hope you are observing both left and right of this place. It's a bit narrow anyway, but it's just that there is no plan to dualize here. So, but actually the road, the area is a bit narrow. So viewers, we have come to the end of this video. Until I come your way next time, I am still Chinedu, your presenter. I say bye for now. I leave you to enjoy the rest of the video.